Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making easy peanut butter eggs. To begin, in the bowl of your stand mixer, add in 5 tablespoons of room temperature unsalted butter. If you don't have a stand mixer, you could also use your hand mixer. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1 cup of smooth peanut butter. Now, using the paddle attachment, cream the butter and peanut butter until evenly incorporated. Then add in 2 cups of powdered sugar. Mix on low until combined. Make sure to scrape the bottom of the bowl as needed. Continue mixing on low until evenly incorporated. Now, using an ice cream scoop, scoop out the mixture onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper or a baking mat. Then, with your fingers, shape them into eggs just like so. Then transfer into the freezer for at least 1 hour. 1 hour later, place a saucepan over medium-high heat with 1 cup of water. Place a small mixing bowl on top of the saucepan. Place 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate into the bowl, followed by 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. The coconut oil will help the chocolate to be thinner, perfect for dipping. Go ahead and stir until all the chocolate has melted. You could also avoid this step by melting the chocolate in the microwave. If you decide to melt the chocolate in the microwave, do it at 30 seconds increments. Once your chocolate is smooth and creamy, set it aside. Now lift your peanut butter eggs with a fork and bring over to the chocolate. Then cover with chocolate just like so. Let the excess chocolate drip into the bowl. Once evenly coated, transfer onto another tray lined with parchment paper. Repeat the same process with the rest of the peanut butter eggs. If you want to add sprinkles to make them more festive, do it while the chocolate's still wet. Another way to decorate them is by drizzling another color melted chocolate on top of them. Now transfer to the fridge for at least 30 minutes and let the chocolate set. It looks like you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, easy peanut butter eggs. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye.